Hey guys, welcome to DJ the Daba. So today's recipe is microwave butter cookies. Today we are trying to do something new here. Hope you will like it. This is our first attempt. So please ignore if we do any blunders or any mistakes and keep supporting. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also like and share with your friends. So today's recipe is microwave butter cookies. So for that we need butter, 2 cups of maida, half cup of powdered sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, and with some few drops of vanilla extract. So in a bowl, let's add this butter. Let's add the 2 cup of maida. Let's add the powdered sugar. Let's just add the milk and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's mix it well. Let's make a soft dough. It requires a lot of kneading. It's almost ready. Looks like this. So let's start making some cookie shape by taking a small piece of dough here. So you can even add a pinch of salt to this dough before making a dough actually, so that it adds more taste to it. So now the cookies are ready. Let's give some shape to them. I'm just using a fork here. You could choose any shape, whatever shape you like. If you want, you could add some nuts like almonds, pistachios or cashews. I'm just adding some pistachios over here. So let's microwave the cookies. Please make sure that the microwave is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Microwave the cookies for 5 to 10 minutes and frequently check to avoid burning. Let's microwave. And the cookies are ready. Cool down completely before you serve. And if you liked our video, please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with your friends. And don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you.